Here's the new Pixel Buds 2 in a nice mint green color. Let's take a look. So when I was first handed this little pod that holds these brand new Pixel Buds, I was told it was modeled after a river stone, which makes a lot of sense because it has this kind of oblong shape and a very smooth, matted finish to it. And it's got a little bit of heft to it, which is because of that 24-hour battery that this pod allows the Pixel Buds to carry. You have USB-C charging and a magnetic flip close here, very satisfying and easy to close and open. And though the case is heavy, the Pixel Buds are very light. Take them out, pop them in, and one of the first things you'll notice is kind of how easily they just kind of sit in your ear. And I typically usually have issues with the size of earbuds, them falling out. As you can see, can shake it all about. We have 3 different points of contact that are hitting the inner parts of my ear that are making it very easy to stay in there without feeling like there's something lodged in my ear. So comfort was a big point of interest for the Pixel Buds. They're also going to be sweat and dust resistant, so you can run with these, work out with them, and not have to worry about much. You also have something called the spatial vent here, which allows you to hear your surroundings around you and doesn't digitize it, but actually happens in an acoustic way. You also have 2 mics on each earbud, which form dual beams to focus voice and only listen to what needs to be said. That combines with something called the voice accelerometer, which is basically bone conduction that knows when you're talking based on the vibrations of your jaw. The new Pixel Buds also have touch controls, which allow you to swipe for the next song, tap to play or pause, and you can also just talk to Google and say, "Hey Google, pause the song," or "Hey Google, translate this to Spanish." But that does need to be connected to your phone to do the translation. We're looking at 5 hours of battery life on the buds themselves. Paired with the case is a full 24 hours of charge. Google's also claiming some impressive range on this, up to a football field's worth of distance between you and blank space. Little bit iffy on the details on what happens when you're indoors and how their obstacles may affect it, but we've been assured that it's pretty good still in those situations. More details to come as these arise. The last and most secret detail is AI built on board for the Pixel Buds. We don't have a lot of details on that just yet. One of those things that we're gonna have to wait on for the official launch in spring of 2020, but this is something that could really set the Pixel Buds apart from Airpods and other competitors. So that's our short, sweet, and quick look at the new Pixel Buds. These will be available, like I said, spring 2020 for $180. We'll of course be getting our hands on these for further looks. Unfortunately, we didn't get to hear much of it yet, but we will soon and we'll let you know. Stay tuned to Digital Trends to find out more.